Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem sum root to leaf numbers. We're given a binary tree where in each node we have a single digit. We're interested in paths from root to leaves, and when reading digits along those paths sequentially, we'll be getting a number, and we want to sum over all those numbers from root to every leaf. So for instance, here we have 3 leaves, so there will be 3 numbers. 495, 491, and 40. And that's the sum. Let's look at how we can imagine this process happening. And that will give us essentially the same thing as our solution. So we start at the root. So we start with a 4. And every number will have 4 as its first digit. So let's say it's just a 4. Now, when we go to our children, they have some values. And we have to make space for those values. So we go to a 9 and to a 0. So for a 9, we want to write the 9 to the right of our 4. Same thing here. So to do so, we have to multiply our 4 by 10, and then add the 9, add the 0, so that doesn't change. And so we're at the 9, we have a 49. At 0 we have 40, and now 0 is already a leaf, so we return just that 40. And with a 9, we also have to go deeper. So again, we have to make space for one more digit. So we get 490. And at the 5, we add the 5. That's a leaf, so we add it to the result. Same thing for a 1. So essentially, before recursing to the left and to the right, we have to multiply our current number by 10. And then when going back, we have to just sum all of them up, and that will be the result in our root. Okay, so let's see the code. We'll have an accumulator, right? So a single value that will pass to our helper function. And now if we do not have any vertex, then we return a 0, so because it's the neutral element of addition. Otherwise, we take the current value, multiply it by 10, add our value to it. And if we have to recurse to the left or to the right, then we do so, and that's it. So we return the sum of the left subtree and the right subtree. Otherwise, we are a leaf, so we add it to the result. Notice that, of course, here we do not have current plus go, because even if we have only one child, then we should not add our result, because we are not a leaf, and we're only interested in those numbers that actually reach leaves. And that's all.